Welcome back to Ewan's Stomach. It's been a long time since we did a video, hasn't it? It's been like a month or 2 months almost. Anyway.
Yeah.
So we have something special. We were at Sam's Club this past weekend, and we picked up some cereal that reminds me of my childhood. And that cereal is Monster cereal. And as you can see, Fruit Brute and Yummy Mummy is not on the box. We have Frankenberry, Boo Berry, Count Chocula, and a new one called Carmilla Creeper.
Which one's that?
That's this one right here.
Oh.
Looks like a zombie.
Yeah.
Like a green zombie.
It looks like a... No, that's Frankenstein.
Yeah, it's Frankenstein's monster. A ghost. Boo Berry, like Boo. And Count Chocula. So anyway, we're going to try them and give them a taste test. And they come in these cool little boxes. There's Boo Berry.
Let's try that one first. Oh, I didn't tell me there's stuff with that.
Count Chocula. Frankenberry. And Carmilla Creeper.
I can't wait to try that one.
Yeah, neither can I. Probably going to taste like caramel. Oh, it's caramel apple cereal.
I'm great.
Oh, that's so
I
different.
might actually like that.
All right, let's try it. Which one do you want to try first?
No, let's save this one for last.
For
Let's
last?
save this one first.
Oh, you want to do Boo Berry first.
Yeah,
You've never had these before,
I know.
have you?
No.
All right, Boo Berry first, then what?
Then this.
Maybe we should break it up with the chocolate in the middle. Because then you don't go berry, berry.
Okay.
All right, let's do chocolate. Count Chocula second.
Are we gonna open every single one?
Yeah. Frankenberry, and then Carmilla Creeper. Can't remember the name. All right. First up is Boo Berry. What do you think this is going to taste like? You want to smell
Ooh.
them? All right. It looks just like it normally does. Has little ghosts in it with the marshmallows. You try it first. You're going to take a marshmallow first.
I don't like the marshmallow.
You don't like marshmallows? I already know what it tastes like. I've had these.
That's good.
Yeah. All right. Remember that flavor. We can rate them at the end. Count Chocula.
I might have to taste them all again.
We'll do that after the video.
Okay.
You can just use one cup. We don't have to.
Yeah. And you can just suck them all
I
down.
thought it was going to be fancy to do a couple different cups.
You already know what-
There you go.
Why are they all ghosts?
That's just how it is. I don't know. Let's try a couple of them. You don't like the marshmallows, do you?
Mm-mm.
As a kid, I would always pull out all the marshmallows out of my milk. The marshmallows are little bats. And I think moons, it looks like. Maybe just bats. I don't know. How do you think of that one?
That one is good.
You like that one better than... Well, don't tell me yet. All right. Chocolatey. All right. Frankenberry.
I have to be not like one of these.
You don't want to... You want to not like one of them?
One of them. I have to not like one.
Why?
Because they're like... Oh, those are red.
Wait a minute. These are nice and shiny. They look like glossy looking. There you go. All right. They don't have as much berry flavor
No.
as the blueberry. All right. Last but not least, Carmilla Creeper. Please get down.
This is probably the one that I'm not gonna like.
Now I like caramel apple. Like it. That has a weird smell to it.
Oh.
It doesn't smell like.
It's funky.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna like this.
That is a weird color too. Let me get closer to the camera for this one. So here's Carmilla Creeper. Very bright green. Kind of disturbing looking. All right. Don't put it. Wait. Go ahead. Get a couple of them. I know the marshmallows are gonna taste the same. All right. We just tried all of them. All
I
four.
might need to taste it again.
This one?
No, all of them.
Okay, well, I have to do that after the video.
Okay.
All right. We got Carmilla Creeper, Count Chocula, or is that Blueberry? It's Blueberry, sorry. I'm sorry, Frankenberry, Count Chocula, and Blueberry. The way I'm going to rate it, I have it in my mind.
Okay.
So you have it in your mind what you want to,
No.
best or worst.
No.
You know,
So this one,
that's Blueberry.
I'll say this one's the best.
All right. You like Count Chocula?
No, this one.
Frankenberry the best. Okay.
Frankenberry. And then I would say Count Chocula.
That's this one?
Yeah,
Or Frankenberry.
Frankenberry. Then Count Chocula, I like this one.
All right. I'm very similar to what you just said. The way they're lined up is the way I like them. From best, Blueberry, Count Chocula, Frankenberry, and Carmilla Creeper. This has always been my favorite. I've always liked this flavor. Count Chocula is good. I don't really like chocolate cereal though. I don't know.
Yeah.
But these are good. These almost taste like a Fruit Loop to me. These don't have as much flavor as these. Not as much berry flavor. I'm going to go with that order. I can't remember how much we paid, like $6, $7 for the 4 boxes. 7 at Sam's Club. This is not a sponsored video. But go to Sam's Club and get yourself a box before they sell out. I just looked it up on eBay, and there was somebody selling boxes of it for $24.95 on eBay, which is ridiculous. But anyway, that's you and Stomach. That's a review. And anything else you want to add?
No.
No? All right. Would you eat these in milk?
No.
No, either would I. I would eat this one in milk. I like this one in milk. But not this one, not this one, not that. Definitely not that one.
Yeah, this one's
So,
the worst. I don't like that.
Yeah. Has a chemical flavor to it at the end. Tastes like you're eating like a cleaning fluid or something. I don't know. But that's a review. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Get me to 200 subscriptions. I'm at like 160 or 142. I'm like 142 or 146. So it's not my birthday. He's just being goofy. So enjoy your day and talk to you later. See ya.
I almost said you were 50.